Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is group number 33. Our project title is IoT based monitoring of transformer using Raspberry Pi. In this we have used a strapped on transformer of 220 by 110 volt and 500 watt capacity. We have connected load of 200 watt. Each bulb is rated 100 watt. Voltage across these bulbs is 110. So here we are measuring contact temperature of step down transformer. So we have used sensor DHT11, which is a digital sensor. So basically we have run the Python script. So it is fetching data from the sensor and it is showing data on this LCD screen, real time data on LCD screen. The values are shown here and it is transferred to cloud platform ThinkSpeak. The same thing is also shown here. We have also developed a mobile application to show all the graphs on one screen. As we have used multiple sensors like ultrasonic sensor, voltage sensor and current sensor, along with analog to digital converter to convert analog values to digital values. So here we have used ultrasonic sensor to monitor the level of oil. Basically we have used dry type transformer, but the same approach can be implemented on pole mounted transformers, oil filled transformers. So we have here it is ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. So it is monitoring the level of liquid and in the form of gauge. It is shown here on the monitoring web page. So the need for implementing this system is like it can be monitored remotely, sitting anywhere in the room, not just the control room. We have also used a relay module here, which trips the transformer if the oil level gets too low. So here we have made our frequency generator circuit, which is connected to Raspberry Pi, and Raspberry Pi is generating some frequencies which can be controlled here from the potentiometer, and the circuit is able to generate frequencies from 10 to 130 Hertz. We have also implemented a relay module so that the frequency drops from a particular level, the transformer will automatically trip down. Here we have used current sensor here, SCT013 of 10 ampere. It shows the data on the cloud platform. Here it is showing 2 ampere current is flowing because power is rated 200 watt and voltage is 110. Power factor is also shown here. We have also used power factor meter, and the readings are shown here. Voltage sensor ZMPT101 is also used. The values are shown here on the monitoring web page, and if the transformer gets stripped down, the values are updated and it is shown here on the operating state of the transformer. Here this button shows the color of this button changes when the transformer gets tripped. The main aim of developing this project is that the people should not suffer due to long-term power outages. Maintenance work should be done timely, and further details are already mentioned on the report. Here we have used protection system, that is we have used relay module which trips due to overheating of the transformer and over voltage condition. Here this is ADC, analog to digital converter, model ADS 1115. This is voltage sensor. Here it is ultrasonic sensor placed over container. This is Raspberry Pi model 4B, and this is we have used here camera which displays the values of power factor meter.